want you to do is just practice doing down ups with me. Just with your index finger, nothing fancy, right? Nail goes down, flesh of the fingertip comes up, right? Let's count it now, okay? We'll count it in a couple of different ways. So the basis of this is going to be 4/4 time, so 4 beats per bar. So I'm going to count like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Notice with the ands, I'm not worried about going all the way up on my strings. I just flick a couple of strings. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Maybe 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the down ups don't feel quite right. There's another way you can count this, okay? We'll just count to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Whichever one works for you. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of those number counts and I'm going to substitute a tap. Just like that. See how I tap. I don't hit hard. I put my hand across the strings and really I'm tapping on that part of my ukulele. Okay? You can tap with one finger if you want. Okay? It's not a big deal what you do. What I want you to do now is this. Tap, wipe, tap, and I just wipe up with my fingers. See that? It's just a little flick. You can land, like I say, with one finger. You can land with more. What works for you? Do that, okay? Tap. I say smack, wipe. Smack, wipe. Smack, wipe. Smack, wipe. Okay? Now try this. We're going to do a down, up, nice and slow. Down, up, come back down, smack, wipe. See how your hand is already in position to do an up? Down, like you're just wiping something off your finger. Nothing heavy duty, just a little flick on the strings. So now you can count it like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I'm gonna make my G chord now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I love the feeling of doing that tapping. I find it a really relaxed way to incorporate some percussive technique into my playing. Things to think about when you're using this percussive technique in your playing. Make sure that you don't hit with your nails on the soundboard of your instrument. That'll mark it up and that'll be sad. I did that with one of my really fancy classical guitars. Oh boy. So watch out for that. Just tap it like that, okay? Try not to worry too much about making a big deal about the strum up. It's just a flick on your way back up to doing another down strum. Down, up, smack, wipe. And that motion, see how it brings my finger up? I'm ready to play again. Adding a percussive touch into your playing is a lot of fun, and just doing a simple down, up, smack, up motion can be a great way to get you started into something like that. I hope you found this video useful. And have fun with your playing. I'll see you next time.